In the field of Vastu, intuition alone is not enough. As consultants, we need tools that can help us to validate, measure, and truly understand the energies.
That is where the H3 antenna comes in. Recognized as the most advanced tool for Vastu and energy work, it helps you go beyond your senses to detect Vastu analysis, hidden radiations, and map dowsing technique.
This workshop is designed to educate you on why the H3 antenna is considered the best tool for the Vastu practice and how mastering it can help you to excel in your profession.
Detecting energies of spaces and individuals, measuring occult energies and hidden radiation, geopathic stress detection and correction, aura analysis and energy vastu application, practical case studies and live training, intensity determination by using immersion method, map dowsing technique using the H3 antenna, vastu analysis and correction techniques, detect and quantify the directional energies and elemental energies, measure human energies, chakras, and conduct aura readings, accurately quantify energies, detect the path and intensity of geopathic stress, detect the strength of planetary energies in Vastu and also in humans, analysis of compatibility and remedies, energy wavelengths and polarization, professional energy analysis reports, conducted by certified trainers from the School of Radiesthesia, Germany. We bring to you authentic knowledge in radiesthesia, electromagnetic radiation, bioenergetics, and energy vastu. This is not just training, it is empowerment. With the H3 antenna, you will learn to identify and correct energy disturbances that are invisible to the naked eye.
For Vastu consultants, astrologers, numerologists, healers, and energy practitioners, this tool is a game changer. It elevates your practice from traditional advice to scientific, measurable, and result-oriented consultation.
The syllabus covers not only how to use the H3 antenna, but also how to apply it in real projects, from homes to industries, offices to entire townships.
What makes this workshop unique is that it's conducted by the trainers themselves, who are bioenergeticians, architects, EMR specialists, and Vastu professionals. This is your chance to bring precision, confidence, and excellence in your Vastu practice.
Seats are limited. Join us for the Vastu Energy with H3 Antenna professional training workshop and step into the future of Energy Vastu.